So for this brand, if you want to install a software, you have to go and download the software from the official website. So ask for what? Quickvision PC software, okay? PC software. It automatically gives you name. What is the name it is? IVMS 4200. What is the software name is? IVMS 4200 is the software name. Okay, Quickvision PC software name. I think maybe I have installed IVMS. Do I have? I don't know whether I installed on my computer earlier or not. I think I don't have. Okay, it's good. We will download it. So IVMS 4200. Go to here and you will download the IVMS 4200. 4200. Here is IVMS 4200. And go to, this is Mac PC, this is Windows PC, and go to download here. Okay, now it's open. After you download, install the software. Just install it, okay? Now it is installing. After the installation, the shortcut will be available on your desktop. So this is IVMS 4200 software. So I'll allow and open it. Upgrade, not now. Later we will enable. Now it is asking a software password. A software password. So I'm assigning a new username. Username is admin. I'm giving a password. Password, I'll give same one, Berkeley. You can give any name, huh? This is your computer password.
Yeah, sure.
Don't, it's not mandatory to give NVR, but you can give anyone. So what is the name I'm giving? Berkeley. You can enable also auto login, meaning next time it will not ask password. It is also asking some security questions. I will follow the same answers for this also. Okay. Finish. Now the software is open. Okay. The software is ready, but the camera, how to connect it? Camera, no? To connect your camera, you will go to the what? Device management. Device management. And we need to add this device. So first to make sure the cable is already connected. We already connected. Now you can go for a what? Scan for online devices. It automatically lists the camera. So it says there is one device which is connected here. You can see the number here, which is 105. So we will go and verify is that the NVR number. You remember that? 105.
Yeah.
So go to what? Network. You see that? 105. So that's already detected. So let me go to my computer back. So on my computer 105. You see that 105. So I select it. I'm going to say what? Add it. Add. Now it is asking what is the name you're going to enable for this. The name of the NVR, I'll say as what? Berkeley. What is the username of the NVR? Is admin. Password of the NVR is also is what? Berkeley. So make sure the password is correct. After that, you can say what? Add it. And you see that it is now what? Online. Now you close. Now device management you already finished. Now go to the what? Video applications, main view. In the main view you have what? Berkeley, and click on the camera. Now it shows you. Okay, face detection also is
Yeah.
available there. Motion detection and face detection. Okay, you see that? So this is how you connect it on your computer. In case you, so I show you mobile application plus what computer. What else? Now let's show you for another brand here. This is another brand. What is the time now? 11. Quickly I'll show you this one. Okay, this is another brand. So right click, I'll go to what? Menu. I'll enable the password. Okay, record this one from new one now.